Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Unity Industrial Viewer template to upload, stream and review a Kia vehicle CAD model. We will cover the complete workflow including download the projects from GitHub, create a Unity Cloud projects, connecting Unity service, uploading a step file to the asset manager, streaming the model and creating annotation. First, we need to download the Industrial Viewer template project from GitHub. Go to browser, type Industrial Viewer template GitHub. Go to first link. Click code drop down button. You see download zip. Now downloading. Okay, download completed. Next, we need to extract the zip and open it in Unity. Extract completed. Now go to Unity Hub. Click Add button. Add project from disk. To the download option. Choose Industrial Viewer template. Open. On editor version, you must choose 3.5 F2. So in this template, by default coming viewer user interface, asset streaming integration, model navigation controls, annotation tools, and a selection and hierarchy features. Now importing assets, it takes some time to open the project. Project opened. We just close the project setting. Just clear the console. Next, we need to create a new Unity Cloud project. Go to Unity Hub. You just click Manage Account. It will take into your Unity dashboard, or else you directly enter in the browser. Click back to dashboard. Select project from the left side menu. See top right, new button. I just click the new button and name it to Kia Industrial Viewer Demo. Now click to create. Now go to projects. You can see the projects here Industrial Viewer Demo. Now run the application by using play button and just click. Industrial Viewer interface will load it. Close the project setting. So you have to log in your Unity Industry license. Just log in. Access login page. Now you go to Unity editor. See, this is all available projects listed here. Now for project not listing, you just stop the application and go to dashboard. Just refresh. Now go to editor. Again run the application. Okay, still our project not listed. You just close the Unity and close the Unity dashboard. Now again reopen the project, industrial view template. Clear the console error. Sorry, clear the console warning. Clear the console warning. Now run the application. Upload the CAD file. See top right, add new asset. Choose our STP file. I choose and open and name it to Kia. Type 3D model description. Tag 3D. Save. Upload. Now uploading the CAD file. Depending on the model size and the complexity, this process may take several minutes. During the process, Unity converts the CAD data into optimized geometry suitable for streaming. Process completed. You just click on refresh button. You can see the Kia model. Next, stream the model. Just select the Kia model. You see the stream option. You just click stream. Model is loading. Now model is loaded. Now I rotate the scene window. Okay, next we will check the tools. First on hierarchy. I selected the hierarchy window. You can see the hierarchy panel. You can see the complete the texture of the CAD model. So just click on the drop down. You can see the complete texture of the model. Next, metadata. Next, we will check first tool. Once you click the tool option, you can see the 4 menus. First one is environment. Inside, you can see the 4 icons. First one is environment. Once you click the environment, here by default giving some environment. I just select the hanger. You can see the output. Next, measure tool. You can measure the distance between points. Right. Next, selection cut. Cut through the model. Rotate, scale. Then last one is interaction tool. You select particular parts, become interactive. Now you can move, rotate, whatever, then scale. The next last one is annotation. I just click annotation. Here you can see the annotation panel. Here you can give some comments about the model, review the model. So I just click the plus button. You want to tell any corrections? Review the model. Okay, now I click the send button. Annotation is created inside the industry viewer. The command is also synchronized with asset manager. It's mainly collaboration between engineer, designs and review team. So I sent a command. Command is stored in asset manager for collaborations. Now go to Unity dashboard. I just click the industry viewer project. In right side, you just click command. So improve the model. You can play. In this demonstration, we covered downloading the industrial viewer template from GitHub and create a Unity cloud projects, linking Unity service, running the applications, upload the CAD model, stream the CAD model, creating annotation, synchronize commands with asset manager. This Unity Industrial Viewer provides an effective workflow for CAD visualization and asset streaming and collaborative design reviews. Thank you for watching.